kids, welcome to our Smart Kids Learning channel. My name is Shirisha Matlekar. You can call me Shiru. Today we are going to the fruits. Let's start. First, apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Second, banana. Banana. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Third is orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Fourth is mango. M-A-N-G-O, mango. Fifth is grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Sixth is watermelon. W-A-T-E-R-M-M-E-L-O-N, watermelon. Seventh is strawberry. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R, strawberry. Eighth is pineapple. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-A, apple, pineapple. Ninth is papaya. P-A-P-A-Y-A, papaya. 10th is cherry. C-H-E-R-R-Y, cherry. 11th is kiwi. K-I-W-I, kiwi. 12th is dragon fruit. D-R-A-G-O-N, dragon. F-R-U-I-T, fruit, dragon fruit. 13th one is guava. G-U-A-V-A, guava. By the way, my favorite fruit is mango. Which is your favorite fruit is? Write in comments. Do like, share